would you like to drink, sir?
Yes, a Diet Coke, please.
Ice or lemon?
Just lemon. Thank you.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Milk?
Yes, please.
Sugar?
No, thanks.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Hello, are you Mark Ryder?
Yes, are you early?
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
And you too. Welcome to the UK. You're hot in the city center. It's about 30 minutes. Is the traffic okay?
Oh, great.
Do you like coffee first?
No, I'm fine.
Because the car park. Can
Okay.
you hit the bags?
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's go.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Mark Ryder. Can you spell address? Yes, R-Y-D-E-R.
For 5 nights.
Yes, it is.
Can I have your passport, please?
Just a moment.
Here you are.
Can you signature her?
Yes.
Of course. Do you want a smoke? No smoking?
No smoking, please.
Here, your key. It's room 405 on the 4th floor.
Okay.
Where's the lift? I don't know. It's all there.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your bag?
No, it's
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Ryder.
Thank you so much. Where are you from, United States, Mark?
The West Coast, San Francisco.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's a great city. Are you from London?
No, I'm from Cambridge. My family live there, but I live here in London.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Hello. How are you? Fine. That's great. Bye.
Sorry. That's okay, your wife. No, my daughter.
Daughter, you are traveling. How old is she?
She's 9. She's not the last
Los
angel.
Angeles. We are divorced. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
How old are you?
That's very personal. What do you think?
24, 26?
Thanks, I'm 27. How old are you?
I am 34. Would you like another drink?
You have to go now, Mark. Of course, we said 10.
See you tomorrow, Ellie. Good night.
See you tomorrow. Good night. Can I help you?
Yes. What would you like?
A cappuccino, please.
Love or large?
Large, please.
A brusher for me, please.
Can I take away?
Together.
Anything else? No, thanks.
Okay. A brownie for me, please.
Together, separate.
Together.
That's 6 5 please.
Are you taking American Express?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. You're welcome. It's a free table over there.
Thank you so much, Mark.
That's okay.
Oh, I'm very sorry. So it's the same and everything right. My shirt is damaged.
It's okay, Ellie. After the coffee, don't go shopping.
Shopping, we have not time. A second is sorry.
We have time. It's only 11.
Are you sure, Mark?
Yes, sure. Sit down and rest. After the coffee, then go shopping.
Well, okay.
Can I help you?
Yes. What size is this shirt?
Let's see. A small size do you want?
A medium.
This is a medium.
Where can I try it?
Changing you are over there.
Okay, thank you.
How is it?
It's fine. How much is it?
$34.99.
Sorry. What did you say?
$34.99.
Are you taking American Express?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Welcome. It's very beautiful, Mark.
That's okay, Ellie.
Oh my God, it's time to go. Our second meeting is at 12:30.
Yes, you're right.
Do you like the shirt?
Yes, it's the same other one.
No, it's completely different.
Sorry.
Typical man.
Ellie, can I ask you something?
Yes, what?
Ellie, can you dinner with me tonight?
Tonight.
You see, it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Mark, but I can't dinner with you tonight. I'm very busy.
Let me think. How about Friday night?
Friday? Well, okay.
Okay. Would you like a good restaurant and we go there?
A good restaurant. Let me think. Do you like Italian food?
I love it. It's very nice.
Okay, it's a restaurant of Italian food. We can go there.
Good idea. Then we call a taxi. Taxi. Can I help you?
Yes. How much is the shirt?
It's 1560.
Sorry. How much did you say?
1560.
How much are those mugs?
The big mugs are 20, small ones are 875.
Can I have a big mug, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Okay. No thanks. Do you have birthday
The card. Sorry, the only postcard, please.
Just a mug, please.
That's 25, please. Have you got the 25?
Sure.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Ellie. You look great. Nice dress.
Thank you. It's a little present for your birthday. Oh my God! I don't believe this.
What
I
is
hope it's not
this?
broken.
What is this? Oh, this was a mug.
I hope it's not broken.
It's okay, Ellie. No problem.
Okay. Just let me go. I don't exactly where this restaurant
Ellie,
is.
this is not work. This is night out.
I'll be alright. I have a bit stressed today.
Okay.
Then we go.
Bye.
Excuse me? Yes. You know where to King Street? Sorry, I don't know. Okay. Where is it? We are lost. Excuse me? Yes. You know where to King Street?
King Street in here, but I don't know exactly.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me? Yes. You know where to King Street? Yes. Go straight on, go past the church and turn left the traffic lights and I think the second on the right. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Oh, it's the restaurant, Donatello's.
No, it's not.
Yes, you're right, it's not. I hope she said first on the
I
right.
hope she said second on the right.
First on the right.
Second on the right.
Just ask him, please.
I know, it's a tourist.
Just ask him.
Okay, okay. Excuse me. We are lost. You know where to King Street?
Sorry, I'm a tourist.
It's a tourist.
Just return second on the right. Oh, it's the restaurant, Donatello's.
Yes, you're right. I hope she said second on the right.
Yes, where can I park my car?
Ellie, you can park.
For sure means I can't park.
Ellie, I'm just joking.
Okay, I'm sorry. Hey, good morning. How can I help you? Yes, my name is Alison Gray. I booked a table for 8. Smoking or not smoking? No smoking, please. Come this way. Okay. Order? Yes. Are you ready for order? Yes. What would you like, Mark?
The onion soup and steak for me, please.
What do you like, steak, rare, medium, well done?
Rare, please.
And you, ma'am? And I have a fried chicken, please. With french fries and baked potatoes? With a baked potato, please. And what would you like to drink? Just a glass of mineral water for me, please. Okay. And you, sir?
And the same for me, please.
Okay. Here you are. Thank you. Go on, Mark. What are you saying at the way? What would you like for dessert? Yes, please. What's in there? Tiramisu, ice cream, fruit salad. Fruit salad, please. And you, sir?
And the same for me, please.
Okay. Go on, Mark. What are you saying at the way?
Ellie, I'm saying that can you go with me California for conference?
California for conference? I'm not sure exactly, but I'll tell you tomorrow in the morning.
Okay, Ellie, you're right.
Here you are, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Coffee or tea? Coffee, please.
Coffee, please.
Milk?
Yes, please. Sugar? No, thanks.
You want? Yes, please. Sugar for me. Okay. Here's your tea. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Here you are. go.
Bye.
Bye.
Good evening. Good evening. Can you check my bill, please? Which room is it? It's 429.
Did you have anything from the minibar last
Yes, a glass of mineral water.
Hey, what? How would you like to pay?
American Express.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, can you signature, please?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
No, thanks.
Do you need any luggage?
No, it's okay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Mark. This is Alison Gray. Today morning traffic is terrible. I'm going to be late.
Okay, my flight is 40 minutes. Please come.
Okay, can you meet at information desk?
Yes, of course.
I think the best idea is that you call a taxi at the information desk.
Okay, I call a taxi for you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me, I changed my plan. Please call a taxi for me.
Okay.
Thanks. Hello? Please call a taxi for me. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi.
Sorry, Mark. I'm going to be very late.
Hi, Ellie. You look great. Nice dress.
Thank you.
Ellie, I am very happy to see you again.
I'm also very happy to see you again. What? And what's the left your flight?
14 minutes.
Okay. I asked my boss in the morning and he said, yes, I can go.
Oh, I am very happy to see
I'm
you
also very
again.
happy. Yes, then we go.
Okay.
I really missed you. And thanks for everything, Mark.
And also thanks for everything, Ellie. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Where are you heading from?
I am waiting from London.
What's the purpose of your visit?
A business conference.
How long are you staying in here?
A week.
Where are you staying in?
In San Francisco.
Do you know anybody here?
Yes, Mark Ryder.
Is family or friend?
It's a colleague and a friend.
Do you have his phone number?
Notice 4056967831.
In this your first visit was?
Yes, it is.
Enjoy your stay in San Francisco.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, where's Ellie? It's late.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Ellie. I'm very happy to see you again.
I'm also very happy, Mark.
Ellie, how was your flight?
Long, 11 hours. I can't sleep in my all flight. The people next to me had a baby with them. I can't sleep in my all flight.
Oh,
What's time here? I need to change my watch.
it's 7 in the evening.
Oh, it's 11 in the morning for me.
Oh, Ellie, you go rest. I know you're stressed today.
Yes, you are right. I'm going to rest.
Okay.
Hey, good morning, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Alison Gray, and what's the room? What's the name of my room? Can I check? Yes. Oh, Miss Ali Gray, 469. Yes, it is. Here's your room key. Your room on 419 on 4th floor. What's the time of breakfast is? 7 to 9 on 6th floor Pavilion Restaurant. Okay, thank you. Can I help your luggage? Yes, please. Hello. Hello, hotel reception? Yes, I have an air conditioning problem. Sorry, ma'am, I can send someone 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Hello, hotel reception? Yes. Can I have a tuna sandwich, please? Whole wheat or white bread? White bread, please. Milk or without milk? Without. Ice cream or fruit salad? Fruit salad, please. What would you like to drink? A Diet Coke, please. Okay, I send it 5 minutes, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Mark?
Hi, Ellie. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am also fine. Ellie, what are the plans for week?
I'm going to see the Bay and the Golden Gate Bridge, and I am going to shopping this time.
Okay.
And what are the plans for you, Mark?
My plan is California's business parties and full enjoyment.
Oh, great.
Ellie, would you like another drink?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Bye.
Hey, Mark.
Hi. How are you?
I am fine. Are you going to introduce me?
Yes. It's Blair, my personal assistant.
Hello. Hi, Ali. Brad. Glad to meet you.
Great to meet you too.
Can Mark show you this site?
Not yet.
I show you this site. I love this city. Mark said me that was so nice, but he did not tell me that was so beautiful.
Okay.
Ellie, then we go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Ellie, today you look great. Nice dress.
Oh.
I always look great. Are you ready to order?
Yes. What would you like, Ellie?
Can I have a fried chicken? Yes, with french fries or baked potato? The baked potato, please. And you, sir?
You start with a salad
And the sandwich.
for me, please.
What is your main course?
Main course is nothing.
Onion soup and a steak for Mark. Can you like this?
Yes, you're right.
Steak rare, medium well done.
Rare, please.
And what would you like to drink?
A glass of mineral water for me, please.
And the same for me, please. Okay. Then we go.
Bye.
Hey, good morning, ma'am. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to go outside, and you know
about
to go shopping center.
Sure, Scare the best here.
Okay. And know about a good museum?
SF MoMA is very fantastic.
Can you show me on the map?
Of course. On third seat, the shopping center is find here, and first seat, the museum is here.
Okay. Can I take it?
Of course.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Where is it? I'm lost. Where is Union Square? Excuse me.
Yes.
Is Union Square is there here?
Yes. Don't I know you?
I don't think so.
Are you Ali? Ali, I am Brad Martin from Los Angeles office.
Oh.
Remember, I meet at the hotel.
Yes, Brad Martin. We meet in the morning.
Yes. Hi.
Hi. I'm in the search for Union Square, but I'm lost. Where is it?
Ali, I said something.
Okay.
Do you like to take a coffee with me?
Of course. Shall we go?
This hotel is my favorite.
Okay.
There's
Then
an amazing cookies.
okay. Can I help you?
Yes, I really like this sweater.
Can you check it?
And in the museum?
Hey, you are a black medium.
Okay.
Try it, don't?
No, I
don't want to try it. I think it's
338.
How much is it? 43.38.
Okay.
But it's too much. There's 34.99. There's 8.5 extra.
Okay.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Do you take MasterCard? Do you take... Can I help you?
Yes, I bought this sweater half an hour ago.
Yes, I remember.
Oh,
Is there a problem?
yes, it's too much long for me.
What size is it?
It's a medium.
I'm sorry, but we in order for you. I will take a few days. I'm leaving Saturday. No problem. Do you know there's expel receipts?
Yes, please.
Thanks. Welcome.
What a lovely evening, Mark.
Yes, you are right. Ellie, can I ask you something?
Yes, what?
Ellie, I don't tell our team about our relationship.
Yes, you're right.
Ellie, I joining an office in Paris.
Yes, there's something I tell you.
Yes, what?
I also joined the Paris
Yes.
office.
Yes, I am a team manager.
Oh, but little something I want to tell you.
Hi, Ali. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Brad.
How's the shopping, Ali?
It's great.
Do you like the museum?
Yes, I really liked it. It's wonderful.
Do you like the picture?
Yes, I really like the paintings and pictures.
Wow.
Can I have a brownie, Mark?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
Another one?
Yes.
What's your favorite painting, Brad?
Yes, not. I think it's a good
Lie. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Do you have any? Yes. Do you have any painkiller?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't have.
Oh. Where is it's? Our chemist is there here.
Do you mean pharmacy?
Yes, pharmacy is right.
Pharmacy is third street.
Okay. Thank you for telling me.
Hey. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I feel just cold.
Do you have a symptom? Do you have a temperature?
I don't think so.
Do you have a back hurt?
Yes.
Do you have allergic any drugs?
Allergic with penicillin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
If you don't pay in 24 hours, you see a doctor.
Okay. How much is that?
425.
Okay. Here you are. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, Abby.
In the morning I go to the doctor. Now I feel better. I have a bad headache in the morning.
Sure, Ellie, you feel
Better now.
Yes, I feel better now.
okay. Ellie,
Yes.
I think tomorrow that I joining an office in Paris,
Yes.
and I am at manager.
Yes, you tell me in the evening.
Yes, Ellie, I think that I and you really like meeting.
What's your means, Mark? You live in San Francisco and I live in London. We are 6,000 miles apart.
Ellie, remember 300 miles.
What's your means, Mark?
Ellie, I am sorry about evening. I'm angry on Brad.
It's okay, but I think it's very nice.
Oh,
Don't worry, Brad is not my type,
and
Mark.
what's your type, Ellie?
My type is 34 years old, dark hairs, and live in San Francisco.
Oh.
Hey, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you check my bill?
Yes. 475.
Okay. Here you are.
I think you very enjoy San Francisco visit.
Yes, I really like San Francisco. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Hello, is it MTC? Sorry. Hello, is it MTC phone number? Can you call Lisa Formosa? Oh, sent a message that it's Alison Gray. I call back in 5 minutes. Okay. Is it Lisa Formosa? Okay. Yes, is it Lisa? Oh, is it good or bad news? Oh, yes, I'm very happy. Okay, see you in Paris. Okay, bye. Goodbye.
Hey, Ellie, I'm very happy to see you again.
I'm also very happy, Mark. Have a seat.
Thank you.
What do you think about?
Not Ellie. Ellie,
Yes,
I ask you something.
yes,
Something very personal.
yes, what?
Ellie, I don't tell about our team, our relationship.
Yes, you're right, Mark. I don't want to tell everybody.
Okay, I have to go. I am big stressed today
Oh my god, why?
because it's a. Hi.
You are the new marketing director.
Yes, you're right. I'm Mark Ryder.
I am Nicole, the next ride. I am Ali's personal assistant. Welcome to Paris.
Thank you. Can you call Ali?
I will just tell you, Ali, you are here.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ali, Mark Ryder is here.
Oh, I'm coming.
You are from San Francisco, aren't you?
Yes, you're right. Where's Ali? Hi, Ali.
Hi, Mark.
How are you? I'm very happy to see you again.
I'm fine. How was your journey?
It's fine.
Oh. Now I'm introducing you with my team. It's Nicole. You already meet.
Yes, already me.
It's my personal assistant.
Okay.
And this is Jacques.
Hi. Hi, Jacques.
Hi, Mark. Are you the director?
Yes, you're right.
I'm Jacques.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And this is Ben, our designer.
Hi, Mark. Hi. We have heard a lot about you. Yes, great to meet you.
Now I'm going to show you my office.
Yes, of
Let's
course.
go. It's my office.
Okay, it's very nice. What a lovely evening.
Yes, you're right.
Ellie, I ask you something?
Yes.
Ellie, I ask that I come and I don't tell about our team. I
Yes.
tell about our team, okay?
Yes, you're right. I don't want to tell our team about you and me, about our relationship. I don't want to tell everybody.
Yes, you're right.
No, I'm fine. Shall we go for a walk?
Yes, of course.
It's a good idea.
Bye.
Bye.
Could you sign this, please?
Of course.
Is it okay if I take tomorrow afternoon off?
Tomorrow afternoon. It's very difficult.
What about Friday afternoon?
Friday afternoon? Well, okay.
Yes.
Ben, are you busy?
Me? Never.
Okay, please come.
Sure.
I opened this document and it's not open with me.
Okay.
This document is very difficult.
Have you started looking for an apartment?
Yes, you are right. I'm finding a flat.
Hey. Yeah, just a minute. Sorry.
That's okay.
How do you like the office?
Office is very nice and people.
And people?
People is very nice. Jacques is very hardworking. Ben is very nice.
Jacques is very charming. Everybody likes him and she has a lovely wife.
Okay.
She used to be a pop star when she was young.
Okay.
Have you heard of Elizabeth?
No.
She very pretty.
Yes, you are.
How do you like the office?
Office is very nice.
And the people?
And people is very nice. Jacques is very hardworking and Ben is also very hardworking.
Jacques is very charming and everybody likes him and he has a lovely wife. He used to be a pop star when she was young.
Okay.
Have you heard of Elizabeth?
No, thanks.
She very pretty.
Yes, you are right.
Ali is very attractive too.
Yes, and is very hardworking, I know.
Her clothes are very English and she is very formal. You know, today I asked her if I have a day off, she want me to send her an email.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody. How are you?
We are fine, and how are you?
I'm also very fine. Mark, I have a Diet Coke, please.
Yes, of course.
Have you found a flat?
Yes, you are right. I'm finding a flat.
When are you going to see it?
Yes, of course.
If you can wait till 6, I will give you a lift.
Okay. Then we go. What meant?
Okay, then we
Tell.
She said we can have a look at the flag.
Yes, you're right. Wow, its flag is very nice. I like it.
It's a long way from the station and it's on the fourth floor.
That's okay. It's very nice.
It's also very noisy.
You are
Everything's old.
Yes, you're right. That's very nice. Oh, hello.
Hi, this is Alice in Grey.
Ellie, Burst.
Do you like the apartment?
Yes, it's very nice.
Oh, Ellie, I am with Nicole. Please.
Are you on? Yes, you are right.
Okay. I call back you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. It's my daughter, Jennifer.
Calling from America?
Yes.
Documenting dress, that nice.
Yes, of course.
Nicole, Mark, and Ben, please come in my office. Okay.
Yes, sir. I come in?
Okay. Jack just tell me that his best friend Scarlett came.
Scarlett is very bad girl. I don't like this.
What do you think about?
She's very bad.
Oh, what are you thinking about? Can you talk to Scarlett?
Yes, you are right.
Okay. Can we go?
Okay.
We talk to Scarlett.
We met at restaurant.
Okay.
Scarlett.
Scarlett, are you hungry?
Nothing.
Are you like to order something?
Nothing. Sure, you will be fishing.
Are you hungry, Scarlett?
No.
Oh. Are you ready to order?
Sure, but this food is very horrible.
Oh.
I know you're going to rest. You are stressed today. Please go to rest. I am going to restaurant. Okay.
Then she said she did not want to drink.
I don't know that what happened. I know what to do.
What's your plan?
My plan is so horrible.
What's your mean, Smart?
Wait a minute. Scarlett.
Hi, Scarlett.
You feel better now?
Hi. Surprise!
But I did not order anything. But please see. What is this? Hey, pizza. Good.
That's a great idea.
Yes. Thank you, Maud. Welcome. Ellie, I'm genius.
Really, you're a genius.
Yes, I'm very genius.
Okay.
Scarlett, you eat this food, then we go. Bye.
Bye. What do you think about the plans for Scarlett?
I know Scarlett like rest and many things.
No, I don't think so.
What is plans for Jacqueline?
I think the Scarlett is very music. He joined music classes and piano.
I agree with Jacqueline.
Thanks. I think Jacques is right.
Yes. I do not have a political image.
Oh.
Then we go, guys. Bye. Hey, Ellie. Ellie, you like this picture?
Yes, I really like this.
Yes, I really like this.
What do you think about this picture?
very nice. I mean, its husband is a banker.
What's your means, Mark?
Ali, I'm just joking.
I think it's... Oh. I
Oh,
think its husband is a marketing director.
Ali,
Yes.
don't come back.
Why? Who is it?
It's Ben.
What's your
Oh,
means?
it's Ben. It's Ben. Then we go.
Okay. I think Ben has a secret. Hi, Ben. Hi, hello.
Hi. You will never quiz who I saw on Saturday.
Oh,
Ali and Maud in the lower together.
oh my God, you're joking.
It was definitely really close.
Oh, seriously, Ben?
I think.
Oh no, it's not possible.
Hi guys, how are you?
Nothing.
Hi guys, how are you?
Nothing.
Okay. What are you doing?
Oh. Ali and the hill, see? Ali sent email, Nicole.
Dear Maud, thank you for the information and thank you darling for a wonderful weekend. Ellie.
Oh.
Excuse me, Mark. Can you come in my office? Yes, of course. Ellie, you send email everyone.
Are you joking, Mark?
No, I am not joking, Ellie. You send email everyone.
No, I sent it only for you.
No, Ellie, everyone.
Oh my God.
Ellie,
It's my fault.
Ellie, I know that. Tell everyone.
Yes, I want to tell everyone in our office.
Okay.
Excuse me, everyone. Sorry, I'm terrible to all of you. I can't handle this with you.
That's okay, Ellie. We had already guessed. It was not really a surprise.
Oh my God.
इब्तिदा है रब्बी जलील के बबरकत नाम से जिसके कब्जे कुदरत में मेरी आपकी जान है। लाखों दरूद और सलाम हो उस हबीबे किबरिया पर जिसकी सबसे ऊंची शान है। सलातो सलाम हो उसकी आल पर जो इस दुनिया के इमाम हैं। देखती आंखों सुनते कानों आपको आपकी होस्ट खुदीजा नूर का सलाम। सबसे पहले मैं अपनी तमाम टीम्स को दावत देती हूँ कि वो अपना तारुफ खुद करवाएं। हमारी टीम डायनेमिक, टीम स्मार्ट और टीम यूनाइटेड।
मानूर इशफाक,
Naula Zal,
उदय क्या हाल?
Saifullah Safi, Javed Abbas,
शहीर जुल्फिकार,
Yashfa Noor,
फातिमा तुज़ारा,
Anas Khan,
जया फरमान,
असनाद खान,
Ubaidullah Khan,
उम्मे आनी,
जहर खान,
जोया आफ्ताब।
आज की अपनी क्विज स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारी इस क्विज के 4 राउंड होंगे। पहला राउंड जो कि सीरत पर मुश्तमिल है। मैं चाहूंगी कि टीम क्रिएटिव से शुरू किया जाए। टीम क्रिएटिव, आर यू रेडी? आपका सबसे पहला सवाल है, किला कुमूस किस गज़वा में फतह हुआ? ऑप्शन 1 खैबर, ऑप्शन 2 तबूक, ऑप्शन 3 अहद।
Khaybar,
वेल आंसर। अब हम अपनी दूसरी टीम बढ़ेंगे। टीम डायनेमिक, आर यू रेडी? आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है, कितनी बकरियां हो तो ज़कात फर्ज होती है? ऑप्शन 1 20, ऑप्शन 2 40, ऑप्शन 3 60। 40। वेल आंसर। अब हम अपनी नेक्स्ट टीम की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। टीम स्मार्ट, आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है, किस पैगंबर की कौम अमीर और ताकतवर थी? ऑप्शन 1 लूत, ऑप्शन 2 हूद, ऑप्शन 3 याकूब। हूद। टीम यूनाइटेड, आपसे राउंड 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्या आप तैयार हैं? जिन्नात किस नबी के ताबे थे? ऑप्शन 1 हजरत दाऊद अलैहिस्सलाम, ऑप्शन 2 हजरत सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम या ऑप्शन 3 हजरत इदरीस अलैहिस्सलाम।
हज़रत सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। हम अपने राउंड 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 टीम क्रिएटिव से करते हैं। टीम क्रिएटिव, आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, रमजान की लुग़वी मानी क्या है? ऑप्शन ए पाक, ऑप्शन 2 तरबियत, ऑप्शन 3 शदीद गर्मी।
शदीद गर्मी।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। हम टीम डायनेमिक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, अल्लाह का शेर किस सहाबी को कहते हैं? ऑप्शन 1 हजरत अली, ऑप्शन 2 हजरत हमजा, ऑप्शन 3 हजरत जाबिर।
हज़रत अली।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। टीम स्मार्ट, आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, अल्लाह का शेर किस फतेह मक्का का अजीम वाकया कब हुआ? 7 हिजरी, 8 हिजरी, 9 हिजरी।
8 हिजरी।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। टीम यूनाइटेड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। टीम यूनाइटेड, आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, पहली नमाज जुमा कहाँ अदा पहली नमाज जुमा कहाँ अदा की गई? ऑप्शन ए मक्का, ऑप्शन 2 मदीना, ऑप्शन 3 ताइफ।
मदीना।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। राउंड 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 टीम क्रिएटिव से, कौन से पैगंबर सबर के हवाले से मशहूर थे? हजरत इब्राहिम, हजरत मूसा, हजरत अयूब।
हज़रत अय्यूब।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। टीम डायनामिक, आपसे इस राउंड का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पहली वही पर कितनी आयत नाजिल हुई? 4, 5, 6।
5।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। कुरान मजीद में किस नबी का जिक्र सबसे ज्यादा आया है? हजरत मूसा, हजरत ईसा, हजरत दाऊद।
हज़रत मूसा।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। टीम यूनाइटेड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। टीम यूनाइटेड, आपसे इस राउंड का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, जबल मूसा कहाँ वाक़ है? ऑप्शन 1 मिस्र, ऑप्शन 2 शाम, ऑप्शन 3 यमन।
मिस्र।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। किसकी शक्ल आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से मिलती थी? हजरत जाबिर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हो, हजरत अली रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हो, हजरत मसअब बिन उमैर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हो।
हज़रत मूसा बिन उमैर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। मदीना के लोग क्या खिलाते हैं? इंसारे मदीना, इंसारे मक्का, इंसारे नबी।
इंसारे मदीना।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। आपसे इस राउंड का आखिरी क्वेश्चन, तयम्मुम कब फर्ज हुआ? ऑप्शन ए 1 हिजरी में, ऑप्शन 2 2 हिजरी में, ऑप्शन 3 3 हिजरी में।
2 हिजरी में।
जवाब दुरुस्त है। Now I would like to start the second round of quiz, which consists of general knowledge. Method is same. I will ask a question from a team, which will make sure the correct answer along with the member of team, and only one member should reply to the answer. Now we are starting second round to Team Creative. Team Creative, are you ready? Your first question is, who is the current highest commissioner of IUN for human rights? Option 1, Michele Bridgeman. Option 2, Alberto Bridgeman. Option 3, Salvador Allende. क्या बोले?
Michael Jackson.
Absolutely correct. Round 2. Question number 1. Team dynamic. Which country inaugurated tallest tower in the South Asia? Option 1, Bangladesh. Option 2, Sri Lanka. Option 3, India.
Sri Lanka.
Absolutely correct. What is the duration of football game? 19 minutes, 120 minutes, 1 hour.
19 minutes.
Round 2, question number 2. Tallest total height of Lotus Tower in is 38 meter, 40 meter, 350 meter.
350 meters.
Good answer. Team dynamic question number 2. Dash become first Arab country to get full FTF membership. Option 1, Saudi Arabia. Option 2, Qatar. Option 3, UAE.
Saudi Arabia.
Correct answer. Question 2. Football game is also known soccer, girl, boxing.
Soccer.
Good answer. Team creative question number 3. Muhammad Hussain, who has become the youngest ever cricket to take a hat-trick in T20, is from Pakistan, South Africa, या Afghanistan.
Pakistan.
Correct answer. Team dynamic. The world first camel hospital is located in Jeddah, Tehran, या Dubai. Absolutely correct. Pakistan won the last hockey World Cup in 2016, 1994 to 2020.
1994.
Absolutely correct. Question number 3. Football World Cup 2010 held in France, China, South Africa.
Repeat answer.
Football World Cup 2010 held in France, China, South Africa.
South Africa.
Absolutely correct. Which country urged USNC to withdraw all peacekeepers by June 2020? Libya, Sudan, या Ethiopia?
Sudan.
Question number 4. Which country urged UNSC to withdraw as peacekeepers by June 2020? Libya, Sudan, Ethiopia?
Sudan.
Absolutely correct. Team dynamic question number 2. Motor dynamic question number 4. Motorola mobile business is now owned by Microsoft, Google, Lenovo.
Lenovo.
Absolutely correct. Which country have won the most Olympic titles? USC, China, Namibia.
USA.
Absolutely correct. Team United. Cricket is the national game of Australia, China, India.
Australia.
Absolutely correct. हमारे 2 राउंड मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं। इन 2 राउंड्स में किसी भी टीम ने कोई भी गलत आंसर नहीं दिया। हम अपने तीसरे राउंड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। For whom was the Shahnama written? Team creative. Option 1, Shibli. Option 2, Allama Iqbal. Option 3, Firdausi.
Option 3, Firdausi.
Correct answer. automatic approval up to 51% in the infrastructure city was given in which year? Option 1, 1990. Option 2, 1991. Option 3, 2005.
1991.
Correct answer. Team Smart. आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. The population census of Jahang in 2017 is 616,262. Option 2, 414,131. Option 3, 812,042.
Option 2.
Absolutely correct. Team United, your question is: the population census of Multan in 2017 is 101,871,843. Option 2, 2,452,693. Option 3, 4,631,201. Option 1. Absolutely correct. Team Creative, your question is: which part of Cinchona plant yield quinine? Option 1, stem. Option 2, bark. Option 3, leaves.
Option 2, bark.
Correct answer. Team Dynamic, comments revolve around which body? Option 1, Earth. Mars, Sun. Earth, Mars, Sun.
Sun.
Correct answer. Team Smart, are you ready?
Yes.
The population census of Lahore is 11,126,285, 22,425,605. The population census of Lahore is 11,12,285, 22,42,508, 44,010,002.
Option 1.
Absolutely correct. Team United, your question is: 1. The population census of Mardan is 2017. 1,09,865, 4,47,513, 35,58,604. Option 3.
Absolutely correct.
Round 3, question number 3 is: which game is Device Cup associated with? Tennis, football, cricket.
Tennis.
Correct answer. By whom was the city of Agra foundation in 1504? Sikandar Lodi, Sikandar Azam, Mahatma Gandhi.
Sikandar Lodi.
Good answer. The population census of Karachi in 2017 is 1,49,16,056. Option 2, 1,68,27,567. Option 3, 2,57,06,215.
Option 1.
Correct answer. Team United, your question is: population census of Quetta in 2017 is 1,01,205, 23,31,105, 45,50,405.
Option 1.
Correct answer. ये राउंड 3 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन हर टीम से पूछा जा रहा है. Which part of Cinchona plant yield quinine? Stem, bark, leaves.
Stem.
Absolutely correct answer. राउंड 3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट सब टीम से किया जा रहा है। Which is the highest plateau in the world? Deer Plateau, Tamir Plateau या Pothohar Plateau? Tamir Plateau. Absolutely correct. Team dynamic. Your last question is: at what level does the Natura 2000 network operate? European, American, Asian? European. Absolutely correct answer. Question number last, Team Smart से. The population sense of Rawalpindi in two question Smart से. The population census of Rawalpindi in 2017 is 42,86,731, 31,200,581, 20,89,231. Option C. Your answer is correct. The population census of Okra in 2017 is 4,60,000. The population census of Okada in 2017 is 4,68,745, 3,57,935, 3,85,635. Option B. Absolutely correct. हमारे तीनों राउंड्स का इख्तिताम हो चुका है और हमारी तमाम टीम का स्कोर सेम है। अब हम अपने चौथे और आखिरी राउंड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। टीम क्रिएटिव से मेरा इस राउंड का पहला सवाल है। थ्रीसा में इन दी ब्रिटेन फीमेल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ऑप्शन 1 फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन 2 सेकंड, ऑप्शन 3 थर्ड। सेकंड। एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। टीम डायनामिक, यू आर इस राउंड Team dynamic, your question is: capital of Chechnya is Paris, Moscow या Grozny? Grozny. Absolutely correct. Smallest state of world is Vatican, Pakistan, Iran.
Vatican.
Correct answer. The longest river of the world is Amazon, Nile, Nilam. Nile. Correct answer. Team Creative, HUD and Drama are secret agencies of Afghanistan, Iran, Russia. Option number 1, Afghanistan. Correct answer. Team Dynamic, Jinnah of Pakistan by Stanley Wolpert was established in 1990, 1984, 2002. Option D. Correct answer. Team Smart, largest mosque of the world is Badshai Mosque, Cordoba Mosque, Shah Faisal Mosque.
Shah Faisal.
Correct answer. Team United, the height of Capitol Gate Tower is 160 meter, 200 meter, 180 meter. Option A, 160 meter. Correct answer. Last round, question number 3 is: what is the age of retirement of Supreme Court Judge? 65, 64, 50. 65. Correct answer. Team Dynamic, when Korea was divided into two parts? 1945, 1943, 1940. 1945. Correct answer. Team Smart, largest delta in the world. Option 1 Mexico, option 2 Sundarbans, option 3 Amazon.
Sundarbans.
Correct answer. Question number last. Last round, question number 3 of Team United. Largest bird in the world is cock, peacock, ostrich. Ostrich. Correct answer. Last round, last question of Team Creative. Which of following is buffer state of Asia? China, Afghanistan, India. Afghanistan. Correct answer. When Burma was separate from India, 1937, 1936, 1935. Correct answer. Highest continent of world is Asia, Antarctica, Australia.
Option 2.
Correct answer. Team United last question is, largest army of world is Pakistan, India, China.
China.
Correct answer. के इख्तिताम में तमाम टीमों ने अपने जवाब सही दिए, इसलिए मैं अब तमाम टीमों से एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन करना चाहूंगी जिसमें हार जीत का फैसला होगा. टीम क्रिएटिव, योर क्वेश्चन इज, which mountain range has a length of 27 kilometers? Correct answer. Team Dynamics. What was the number of sugar mills in Pakistan in 1947?
9.
Correct answer. Team United, your question is, which art is a famous for Tilly shawl and Pashmina?
Kashmir.
Correct answer. टीम स्मार्ट अगले राउंड में हिस्सा नहीं ले सकती क्योंकि उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन का गलत आंसर दिया है. हम अपनी टीम क्रिएटिव की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. टीम क्रिएटिव, योर क्वेश्चन इज, which city is famous for चप्पल and खुस्सा? Correct. Wrong answer. टीम क्रिएटिव जिन्होंने गलत आंसर दिया है वो इस राउंड में से बाहर हो गई हैं, वो अगले राउंड में हिस्सा नहीं ले सकती. हम अपनी अगली टीम की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. टीम डायनामिक, आर यू रेडी? Which Urdu has been taken from the following language?
Turkish.
Correct answer. Team United. Sassi Pannu is a love story of
Sindhi.
Correct answer. और टीम डायनेमिक इस वक्त मध्य मुकाबिल है. मेरा टीम डायनेमिक से क्वेश्चन है कि हीर रांझा इज अ लव स्टोरी ऑफ
Punjabi.
Correct answer. How many words are in national anthem?
50.
Correct answer. The first rocket launched by Pakistan was
Robert.
correct answer. टीम डायनेमिक और टीम यूनाइटेड के दरमियान टक्कर का मुकाबला जा रहा है. मेरा टीम यूनाइटेड से क्वेश्चन है कि गूगल सेलिब्रेट हिज बर्थडे ऑन सितंबर 27, 2019.
21.
करेक्ट आंसर. टीम यूनाइटेड और टीम डायनेमिक के दरमियान मुकाबला टक्कर का जा रहा है. मेरा टीम यूनाइटेड से क्वेश्चन है कि गूगल सेलिब्रेटेड विच बर्थडे ऑन सितंबर 27, 2019.
21.
करेक्ट आंसर. Team Dynamic, your question is, how many animals perished Bolivia in recent wildfire?
More than 2.0 million.
Correct answer. Your question is, which country recently allowed women to travel abroad without approval of male guardians?
Saudi Arabia.
Correct answer. Team Dynamic, your question is, which captain took the match in Test cricket?
Brian Lara.
Wrong answer. और सख्त मुकाबले के बाद टीम यूनाइटेड इस सख्त मुकाबले की विनर कराई है. तो आज की हमारी विनर है टीम यूनाइटेड.